Hi there everyone, this is Justina with Trotec, and today we're going to be showing you a really cool application with bow ties. You may be familiar with laser cut wooden bow ties, but what we've done is taken a little twist on it with some Trotec materials. We mixed and matched the wood with some acrylic and our TroLase lamecoid sheets. Traditional wooden bow ties are typically only laser cut, but what we've also done is add an engraving to the mix. We put our materials into our Trotec Speedy 360 laser and then proceed to engrave and cut our design. We then assemble our bow ties by removing the 3M adhesive and sticking the bow ties together. This allows us to make our bow ties reversible. To create a strap for the bow tie, we took a ribbon which is just under 1 inch in thickness and we wrapped it around the center of the bow tie just for measure. We then glued it together using a hot glue gun. Finally, we took an elastic strap with a suspender clip at the end and threaded it through the loop we just made with the ribbon to finish off the bow tie. This is a great application for fashion accessories as well as promotional items where you can customize the design. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time with another interesting Trotec project.